Welcome to Pabbly. In this video, you will learn how to send a notification message to your team on Slack automatically whenever you receive a digital signature on any document that you have sent to any person using Dropbox Sign application. So Dropbox Sign is a e-signature application previously known as HelloSign. So we are going to connect that application as our trigger app and Slack as our action application in the automation workflow, and we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. Let me show you how. So to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. I have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. Here you can give any suitable name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Dropbox Sign to Slack integration, right? So after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So here trigger is saying when this happens, action is saying do this. So our automation workflow follow this conditional logic that when something happens in a trigger application, Pabbly Connect is going to perform any action in the action application. Okay. So here in our use case, Dropbox Sign will be the trigger application and signing of the signature will act as a trigger event, and here sending a message to Slack will be our action event. Okay, so here first of all you have to search for Dropbox Sign. Here it is selected, and the trigger event would be webhook configuration. You can use this signature request signed trigger event also, but for using this you need to have a paid plan of Dropbox Sign. Right now I'm using the trial plan, so I'm using webhook configuration option. So after selecting this, just click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of a Dropbox Sign and the password. So you just need to fill the key, not the password. You can leave this field blank, and you will find the API key in the integration section of Dropbox Sign. Let me show you that. This is my Dropbox Sign application dashboard, and here you can see I have this integrations tab here, and under integrations page, guys, you will find this API tab. Click on API, and here you can generate a key by clicking on generate key button. I have already generated these two keys, so I'm using this one. You just have to copy the key. After that you have to paste this key here in this field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Dropbox Sign like this. We are connected, and here you can see this webhook configuration event works for all these things. When you send a request, a signature request, when the signature request is viewed, when the signature request is signed or declined or all signed, or it become downloadable. Okay. So we are going to trigger this workflow whenever the signature request is signed. Okay. And I want to send the notifications only when the signature requests are signed. Okay, for that what I'm going to do, I am going to go to my Dropbox Sign account, and I'm going to manually send a signature request to any person, any demo person, and I'm going to manually sign that. Okay, and as I'm going to manually sign that, the data of that document and the signer will be captured here in this workflow, and that will act as a test data for us to set up this automation further. Okay, so I'm going to Dropbox Sign, and let me open the document section. So I'm going to home page. All right, and here it is asking to upload a document. Let me upload a document quickly here. So guys, I have uploaded a document here, and I'm going to send it to a signer, and this is the message I have written for the signer. Please, this is the document's title, request of signature, please sign this document. And here I'm clicking on send for signature. and you can see the document got sent here, right? Now let me open the email of the person to whom we have sent this document to sign, and I'll open the document as well, and then we are going to sign it. Okay, so this is the email the signer has received. Subject is request of signature, signature requested by this person. Okay, and here you can open the document by clicking on review and sign. Okay, so the document is opening here. Now, before signing this document, guys, go back to your workflow and click on Save and Send Test Request button here. So it will start showing this waiting for the response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. This means now we are going to manually sign the document, any sample document that I just sent, okay? And the response of that document signature will be received here in this response section. Let me show you. I have opened the document which is here, and here you can see this is the signature area. I am clicking on click to sign. Okay, and here let me enter my signatures. So you can enter any kind of signature here. Okay, so this is it. I have signed this document, clicked on continue. Yes, I agree. And you can see the document is finalizing, and you can see it is started showing thank you for submitting your document. You'll receive a copy in your inbox shortly. So this is how it is going to work. So we have just got the document signed, a test document signed. Let us see in our workflow if we got the data of the document got captured or not. So here you can see, guys, we just received the response, and in this response you can see it is showing the request title, signature of request of signature, subject, and the signing URL, and you can see the status. The document is signed, and this is the signer's name, email address, and all the things are captured here regarding the regarding the signing of the document. Okay, so this is how you can capture the response. And guys, I want to notify my team on Slack that our document just got signed by the signer. Okay, but guys, here you can see in this important notice you can read this trigger event works on whenever you send a request, signing request, or whenever the signature request is viewed, signature request signed, signature request declined, signature request all signed. So this single trigger event works on all these things. But I want to send the notifications to my team only when the signature request is signed, the document is signed. Okay, for that we can apply a filter condition here after this step, so that we can only send notification messages when the document got signed. Okay, otherwise we do not want to send any message. For that I'm going to use this action step, and to apply this condition we are going to use filter feature of Pabbly Connect. So search for filter here you can see filter, and here it is asking to select the label. So guys, I am going to select this label, the event type label, in which we have received this response, signature request signed. Okay, so I am going to select this label here. Then I am going to select the filter type equals to, and in the value field I am going to put this value, signature request signed. Okay, let me show you. Just click here, and the trigger will appear here in the drop down trigger step, and when you click on it you will receive all the data here only. Okay, so from here you have to scroll down and you have to select the event type label. Here is the event type label. Make the filter type equals to, and in the value you have to put this value, signature request signed. You have to copy it and paste it here. Okay, like this. Then click on save and send test request, and here you can see the condition is true. In the message you can see the condition is true. So whenever this condition meets true, that is when the event type is signature request signed, then only the workflow is going to be continue. And after that, what will happen? A message will be delivered to my team on Slack. For that, just click here on this plus icon and search for Slack here in this action step. Okay, and in the action event select send channel message option, then click on connect. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Slack, and here it is asking for the token type. So for connecting with Slack we have these two type of token types, user or bot. So for either of these two token types we have different kind of permission accesses to Slack. So you can read about the permission accesses by clicking on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly Connect. And here you can read the permission types given to you. For user as token type, you will get following permissions, and for bot, you will get these permissions. So I'm using user as a token type here. You can use any other as well. You can use bot as well. And here I'm clicking on save. All right, and it will bring you to this window. From here, you have to select your space. This is my space, Pabbly. Okay. Let me click on connect. User. Okay, and from here you have to provide the required accesses to be given to Slack. Just click on allow, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. Okay, now from this channels list you have to select your channel's name. So my channel's name is my business, so you have to just click here, and from this drop down search for your channel's name, and here you have to type a message to your team. So I have typed this message for my team. Hello team, we just got a document signing completed from a signer. The details are as follows, and here I want to share with my team the request title of the document, the signer's name and the signer's email. So we are going to map this data from the trigger step where we have captured the data about the document signing. So to map the data here, you just have to click here on this message like this, and you can see in the drop down the trigger step like this, and when you click here it will show you all the data like this. So from here you can map the title, you can map the signer's name, you can map the signer's email. Okay, and these labels that you are mapping here are going to change with every new signing completion. Okay, the title, the signer's name, the email address, are all our things are going to change with every new message that you are sending automatically to your team. So that's why it is necessary to map the details here. Okay, now you can check your connection with Slack by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new message will be delivered here in this channel. You can see, let me click on save and send test request here. This is the response we have received. Let us see in Slack channel if we got a new message. And here we got a new message like this, and with the same details the message is here. So this is how it is going to work. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, whenever your documents got signed by any of your signers, your team is going to receive these kinds of messages automatically, and the workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.